Happy snow day, everybody. I am not going to see you guys, I have a feeling, for a few days. So I wanted to be able to go through one of the homework questions that I had a feeling you would have from the complex fractions homework worksheet, and that's number 4. Now, number 4, if we look at it in its entirety, can look pretty complicated. But what we're going to do right now is we're actually just going to focus our attention on one part of the problem, one term. So all we're going to do right now is we're going to look at just this part. And then we'll bring in the 1 once we have this part simplified. So when I take a look at this complex fraction, I know that the first thing I have to do is I have to find my LCM. Well, I only have one denominator, so my LCM is going to be that a minus 2. So if I go ahead and I multiply each of my terms by a minus 2, that's the equivalent of multiplying by 1 with a minus 2 over a minus 2. I'm going to be left with the expression a minus 2 over, this term's going to give me a minus 2, and then this one, the a minus 2 is canceled, minus 1. So when I simplify just this pink portion of this expression, I'm left with the expression a minus 2 over a minus 3. So now that I have that done, I'm going to bring back in that 1 minus. So I now have my 1 minus, my 1 minus. Now, when I look at these two terms, clearly the least common multiple or denominator is going to be that a minus 3. So I'm going to rewrite this one as a minus 3 over a minus 3. Now, when I go to simplify this, we're going to be left with a minus 3 in our denominator. But what I have to be really careful about here is I have to be really careful with the fact that I have subtraction taking place. So the dog hates the snowblowers, so she's gonna start barking. But minus a, and then I have to distribute that negative, so I end up with plus 2. So my a's end up canceling, and then in my numerator I'm simply left with negative 3 plus 2, which is negative 1. And so this is the most simplified form of that expression.